Today we eat overcooked of dried broad beans with buttermilk curd and pollen of wild fennel. The ingredients are dried broad beans, oil of first quality olive, onion, pollen of wild fennel, buttermilk curd. This is one dish I like much because it is part of Agrigento cooking. I am from Sicilia near Agrigento, and this dish remembers us our old peasant traditions. Now let's start to prepare our dish. Let's put oil of first quality olive, onion. Let's glaze it well. Let's add dried broad beans that we have left to soak before for a whole night, and the pollen of wild fennel. Let's brown it very well. Let's add some vegetable soup, and let's cook it. Then let's cook it about 2 hours. Let's put it into the dish. Let's put warm buttermilk curd, some pollen around it, its flour, some oil of first quality olive. The dish is ready.
Facciamo rosolare molto bene. Adesso aggiungiamo il brodo vegetale. E facciamo cuocere per circa 2 ore. Mettiamo sul piatto. Mettiamo la nostra ricotta lievita. Un po' di polline a girare, il suo fiore, e un filo di olio extravergine d'oliva. Il piatto è pronto. Buon appetito.